I'm still waiting on a couple of fittings to actually test this with the my burner. But here's the electronics setup of this little sensor I was testing. Um, I thought I looked at the data sheet when I bought this thing, but maybe I misread it or misread the dimensions because I did not realize it was going to be this small. So that's like 3 mil across that little barb there. So that is really small. That's a 1/4 inch MPT and an 1/8 inch barb. So it just is about all I could do to adapt those two. You can see there's a little bit of a stretch there. The pressures on this aren't going to be that great, so that actually might be workable. So this is an I2C sensor. So I'm using an Arduino just to get the readings, and I would use an Arduino. Turn this around. I would use an Arduino in my setup anyway. So this is Arduino's plugged into just this little sensor board that I have that outputs Modbus. It also provides some breakouts for the I2C. So I've got the sensor plugged in to an I2C port, and this little I2C display also, just because, gotta see what you're doing here, I guess. So for now, I just have this little silicone tube hooked into this MPT just to test with. So like, for example, if I blow into this tube, you can see there's pressure, and then it should max out around 6. I forget what the max on this thing was, 6 and some change. So this is reading in kPa. It looks like it maxes out around 675. So that actually all looks workable. And then just waiting on fittings, and then I'll hook this into my burner and try it for real.